Hello YouTube, this is John, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you. I have here a Geepas vacuum cleaner, yeah, and I'm going to unbox it. And this is a Geepas GVC 19011, and here it has the wet and dry functionality. And in this video I'm going to unbox this machine, and then after I'll show you. And this one has 2300 watts, and it's very powerful. It has a very powerful motor of 2000, as you can see, 300 watts, and comes with a 2-year warranty. So at this side here you have the GVC 19011, and this product features all these functionalities here, as you can see: fresh outlook, design, wet and dry mode functionalities, and has a good. So I'm going to show you what is inside the box, and if I rotate it, this is how it looks like. Then this side here, this is how it looks like on this side. So it has that language. So I'm going to go ahead and open it and remove the vacuum cleaner. So first of all, remove this on top. Then it has this brush for the carpets, and it has a lock here. So I'm going to go ahead and put it aside here. Plus it has this pipe, this hose pipe, which we are going to use, and it has this adjuster. So I'm going to go ahead and put it aside also here. Then it also has this brush for cleaning, like shall see that later. Then you also have this here that adjusts. And after removing those things, I think we don't have other things that can fall down when I'm moving it. And this is how it looks like. It is a 23-liter vacuum cleaner. So inside here it has this other component for sucking the dust. So if I put this aside, let me check on the video. Yeah, I think it's good here. So I'm going to show you. So this is how it looks like, as you can see. This is how it looks like, and I'm going to show you how to assemble it. And it has the switch here, plus it has the power cord, and it's very long, enough for you to clean like this sitting room. So we bought this for cleaning the carpet at home, and you can see the carpet is already here. We're going to use this vacuum cleaner to clean it, and this can do a lot of work. Can clean the seats, can clean the car, the vehicles. So I'm going to show you in this video, after removing it, how do you assemble it. So I'm going to put these components aside, and inside the box, this is how it looks like. Inside the box, there's nothing else remaining. Yeah. So the user bought it, and they're not able to set it up, and I'm going to show them how to set it up. So this is wet and dry, and this is a brand Geepas. So what happens here, we're going to start with this hose pipe, this pipe here. So this hose pipe, this is how it looks like. This one goes here. So we're going to fit it inside here. Then rotate it till it locks. Then after here, you have your hose pipe that you're going to be using. Then you have this nozzle here. This nozzle, it is adjustable. And to adjust it, you do like this by pressing this. Then you just press it like this in front. Then to open, as you can see. So how to connect it on the Geepas, this hose pipe? You're going to put it inside here like this. You gently push it inside. So this nozzle here, the one for controlling when you're using the vacuum cleaner. This one can do the blowing, so when you're reducing. So the other thing here, you have these three components here. It will depend on the work you're going to do. And you have this small brush. So when you adjust here, you can put this there. Then you can start cleaning. This is for apostrophe, like the seats, you can use this. And then this other small nozzle is for sucking dust around the house, carpet. The car can work very well. And this is Geepas. So this videos were not sponsored. It's just a quick unbox and how to connect it. So I'm going to put this aside. So we have this brush also that we're going to use here. Same thing. Plus I told you can adjust the length, as you can see. Then you'll be able to clean. Then charge this one here for locking. Yeah, you can lock. So this is how it looks like. So you have to use it like this. So you can adjust it depending on the work you're doing. Yes. So this was just a quick video on how we unbox the vacuum cleaner. So in the next video I'll show you how to operate it. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to John Galiwango. Have a nice time. Goodbye. So don't forget to join my membership. Yeah, don't forget to join my membership. Hope everything was being clear. So let me repeat a bit. I think the camera was off a bit. So these are the three components that go down here. So in this video I'm going to show you also how to disconnect it and put it back to the box. So we're going to disconnect it. So while cleaning, this is how it goes in. So you have to turn this down, as you can see. This is how it goes in. Then you'll be handling it from up here, like this. Plus you can adjust the length up to, depending on the distance you want. This is how it looks like. You can also reduce depending. So this hose pipe is the one that's going to go inside. And when you want to change this, you can gently remove it slowly. If you want to suck the dust, you can use this like this. It will be very good to go. And if you want to go ahead and clean apostrophe, like cat seats, you can use this. You can work on the chairs, can work on the mattress, can clean it with this. So this brush here can do a lot. This is going to be for the carpet, and it has a switch here. So when you click here, as you can see, will increase the brush length, and if you click here down to reduce the brush length. And this was just a quick video on how to operate the, so it also has a switch here for turning it on and off. So here I was logging out with the video, but let's go ahead and see what's inside this Geepas. So what you see here, this is for the sucking the dust, and this is how it looks like. So this is the filter that it uses, and I think there is another filter for wet. This is for the dust, and it was used before, so I'm unboxing it. So this is how it looks like. Let me go ahead and put back the, so you go ahead and put it like this. Then after, then locking it, you can lock it from this side. You push it inside, then locking it this side. You can do the same. You do it this like this. Then you lock. Then behind here you have a power cord for electricity, and it has the wheels, and that's all that we have on our Geepas vacuum cleaner. So thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, this was a long video, and we are unboxing, and I was showing you how to connect it and operate it in the same video. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.